to our very first episode of Healthy Down the Road. Have you ever wondered what life would be like if you just left it all behind and went over the road as a professional semi-driver? Well, recently that's what my husband and I decided to do. We're going to take you along on all our adventures. We'll be eating iconic foods, seeing the sights, and I'll even be recreating some of those foods here in the truck. I'll be using healthy alternatives and we'll have a lot of fun. It's Healthy Down the Road. It's official. I've made it to my new home with the summer. Going on our first run.
Rock Springs, Wyoming. It's a beautiful triple rainbow. Let me share it with you. Look how gorgeous. And then it's even brighter here on the other side. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. The first time I drove a truck, I was 21 years old in a 1997 Freightliner. I think it had a 365 under the hood. Nowadays, 23 years later, I got a T680 Kenworth 2020 with a 450 horsepower motor. It makes a huge difference going down the road. This is a beautiful life. I wouldn't have it any other way. But now enough about me, let's get cooking.
Tonight it's actually my husband that's going to do the cooking. He got the name The Cowboy in CDL school. We cook together a lot. He's actually my inspiration for healthy living. Tonight we're making one of my very favorite dishes. It's Nashville hot chicken with oat flour and oat milk, gluten-free, and we're making it right here inside the truck.
This is Healthy Down the Road, so we are making Nashville hot chicken a lot more healthy. We're starting out with some oat flour. I've got some chicken tenders already cleaned. I'm going to be using cage-free egg beaters. Made with real eggs, but egg beaters. I'm going to mix that with a little bit instead of milk. We're going to go with California Farms oat milk. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and whip up the eggs with the oat milk. Just stir that up a little bit. Set that off to the side.
When life shows an open road, you know you should ride it. Forget what you've been told and ride this open road.
more energy. You don't just want to sit around in your truck all day when you ain't working. I don't just know a little bit about nutrition in the human body. I went to school for exercise science before I started was a truck driver. And I also was a NASM certified personal trainer and group exercise instructor. I know a lot about nutrition and a lot about exercise. I am an over-the-road truck driver, so it is a little hard sometimes to be able to stop and do something like this. If you got 10 hours off, you've got a half an hour to do something like this. It does not take long to bread up some chicken strips. Your health is never something you should sacrifice for a couple of dollars to get something a little bit better for yourself. I've already done up about 6 of these. It's been about 10 minutes. I got a little table I'll show you in just a second. I got it off of Amazon. It's just a little desk that you put on your lap. But the cleanup for this, tongs, and with the remnants of the oat flour in there, straight in the trash bag. Now you can just toss that. And that right there is how you get a whole group. Nashville hot chicken. Now I'm gonna get this chicken started now. Just wanted to point out that Nashville hot chicken that we're making is not really fried chicken, it's air fried chicken. We got an air fry, we got a PowerXL air fryer slash grill slash oven slash toaster that we have in the truck. PowerXL, just dump just a hair bit of oil. Alrighty, here we go. Let's get some chicken in here. You can use the basket in the air fryer if you'd like. I use it sometimes, I don't always use it. Sometimes I just put it right on the grill.
Here's our air-fried oat flour chicken tenders, and the next step will make them hot chicken. Grab your cayenne oil and honey. Hot chicken is just fried chicken that's been drenched in what's called a wet rub. Traditionally, the tenders are dipped in a bowl of wet rub. While traveling through Nashville and Memphis, we noticed that some recipes include a sweet finish to balance the heat of the cayenne. I love that addition, so we will be adding honey. Because my husband and I like a different level of heat in our hot chicken, we'll just be adding these ingredients on top rather than soaking it in a bath of wet rub. I'll take you through that now. First we're going to add the sweet, then we'll add the heat. The last step will be to add your favorite seasoning blend. My personal favorite is Tony's Creole seasoning. If you like more oil, you can add that here too. First, take your air fried chicken tenders and place them in a bowl. I'm adding an amazing honey that we got at our stop at the corner market in Jackson, Mississippi. Now sprinkle on your cayenne pepper. The more cayenne you add, the hotter your hot chicken will be. Now finish with your favorite seasoning salt or blend. I'm going to add just a little Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Now turn this over onto a piece of toast and dig in.
It's open road. It's open road. It's open road.
That is so amazing. Oh my god. I love oat milk, I love oat flour, but the chicken with the honey and the little bit of olive oil there, and then the cayenne pepper just kicking it at the end, and then I of course have to have some grilled jalapeno. Fantastic.
Well, we've come to the end of this run. Click subscribe to ride along with us on all our adventures.